Yes, I'm gonna, talk a little bit about my career and how I decided to come to Glasgow, and then where my study in Glasgow brought me to my career, and then I'll talk more in depth about the discovery of a drug for the treatment of pulmonary hypertension. So we are in discovery chemistry. We're medicinal chemists. We train organic chemists. We're synthesizing, designing molecules that should be bioactive, and then we test them to see if they can become drug, and optimizing all the property to make safe and effective molecule that would become the next treatment for disease.
Do you have any words of advice for new graduates today who are potentially looking for a career in chemistry or in science?
Yeah, just be, open to lots of different opportunities, and being able to talk to a lot of people. I think chemistry is a common language. We all speak different languages from country we come from, but chemistry is really the glue that sticks all of us together.